Hi everyone, this is Ashish. Today in this video we'll learn how to create a app which will help, or you can say COVID help app actually, which will help in the current COVID situation. What this app does is this provides a effective way to manage the or provide the help to the people. So people, those who need help, they can come on this app and create help requests. They can access resources, and people those who want to help, like volunteers or service providers, they can also come on this app and they can add resources, or they can reply to very specific request post. Okay, we'll see how it is. We'll see a demo. So I have already created a template for the app. There's one very good website called glideapps.com, uh, which provides a faster way to create the app. So we'll see how we can create this. um, this creation of the app will doesn't need any coding skill, doesn't need any specific technical skills. If you just know how to operate your email, how to operate your mobile phone, you will be able to create this app, and creation of the app will take less than 5 minutes. It is completely free. There are some limitations, but we don't have to worry about the limitation of the free account. So for time being, consider this as free. So the idea of this video is to allow anyone or everyone to create a simple app which can be created very specific for their city, for their locality or the neighborhood. So because if there's a local app, it will always make it easy to get the help and access the nearby resources. Okay, before we go further, remember one thing. Although you will be able to create the app in less than 5 minutes, but this app won't be useful. Why it won't be useful is because the thing which makes the app useful is having a verified resources. When I say verified resources, means related to COVID. Let's say ki oxygen supply is available or not, the hospital bed is available or not. um, um, let's say if ventilator is available or not, or uh, it can be very specific, like okay, if someone someone who is COVID positive and need help with the food. So those kind of information needs to be added on this app. So before you launch this app, make sure you add all these resources, and then share your app with the volunteers, people those who want to help. Ask them, they should come on this app and add as many resources, verified resources as possible, and they should be keep checking this app for the people those who are looking for help. They should be keep checking for the post created by the people those who are looking for help. So uh, that's very important. So let's see, before we go further, let's quickly see how this app works is. So you need to use the URL learn.covidcode.blue. Okay, it's learn.covidcode.blue. Come here. I'm just going to give a demo quickly how this. So this is the way this app is going to open in your mobile. I'm using an email to sign in. I'm using a temporary email here. So this app is sending me a pin which I need to use to log in. Let's see if that pin is available now. So pin has came 66, no, to refresh. Yeah, 39450. So 39450 is the pin. Okay, so I have logged in. There are different categories here. Um, so what it does, so this is an existing account. If my account don't exist, this app will ask me to complete my profile. So I need to complete my profile. Uh, Put the name, phone number, email, city, and what exactly I want to do here. Okay, so this app will ask, but I already have the profile created with this email, so it didn't ask me. Let's go back. So this is a request. So this is a request tab here. This allow anyone to come here and create the request means if they can post their help, okay, what exactly they need. So let's say I come here and I say um, my close friend need oxygen kit. Okay, address I give, and I give my phone number, some random phone number I'm entering, and city, Bangalore, and submit. So this request will show up here. So you see here there are two requests, one is pending and one is picked. This request is picked because someone this request has been created by some other user, and some user came and provided the information which this request was or this user was needed that information and change the status to resolved. So even I can comment on this. So you just say whatever you want to provide to this particular user. So let's say I have some information about oxygen, and then you can select a status. Okay, so this is the way it works. uh, you see it, this is the post I have created. So in this I'm not getting any option to comment. I can only comment to the other person's post, so that way I can help someone else if I have some information. Okay, apart from it, we have something called resources tab here. So resources tab is the one where you put the static information. So let's say you already know some oxygen supplier, and what you can do here is you can come here, uh, if you have called and verified it, or if you just know the information, you can say okay, this is I have verified one oxygen supplier uh, in BTM area. Put the oxygen supplier's phone number. So let's say this is the phone number of oxygen supplier. Any link to their website or anything else you want to put, you can put it here. You can put the information verified, not verified, or spam. So let's say I put the verified, I already verified it, and submit. Okay, so this information will show up here. So if any user coming here and those who need help, they can come and check here, right? So keep all this information updated once your app is launched. Add as many resources as possible. Okay, so now see, now let's see, okay, how to create this app. So now remember, we are going to take less than 5 minutes to create this app. What you need to do now is there's one website called 1 minute. Yeah, there's one website called glideapps.com. You need to create an account at this website. This websites provide a free way to create an app. So click on this website and log in. I already have my login created here, so I'm already logged in, so that's why it's not asking me any password or anything. So just you need to sign up on this. Okay, then you need to come on the same thing, learn.covidcode.blue, the app which I have just given a demo. Okay, here you have this option called copy this app. So once you click it, this will copy or clone this app as it is in your account. So I'll click here. It is cloning the app. See, this is my Glide account and my cloning of the app is done now. Okay, so I mean, couple of things I will explain you now, but I will not go in detail in any of it. You don't have to do anything. So what you see here is in your Glide app, so it shows okay what all the apps here. So this is the app which you just copied, so that's what is showing up here. Click here. This will allow you to make any changes to the existing app. So they're different. So in the left side you are seeing is at different screens. Actually there's a tabs, so different tabs. What I did here is um, just don't have to do anything here, because you just want to copy the app as it is. So don't even touch it, don't even worry about it. Okay, I will create one more video, a few more videos after this video to explain these things in more detail. But for the creation of the app you don't have to do anything, because I have already created a template for it, right? So you copied the app. um, so here this shows the database of the app. Don't touch anything. The only thing which you need to change here is city list. See, copy the app, come on the database here, city list, enter your city's name. Let's say I put mm, Mumbai. Done, that's it. Don't make any other change, just the city name you have changed. So this is the database. Uh, don't touch anything. This is the app, how the app looks, design part. You don't have to make any other changes here. Just leave this screen as it is. Come on, this is the, like, we are now going to publish the app. So come here, appearance. If you want to change anything here, any color, choose your color, style, anything you want. I mean, let's keep it simple. Let's use this color. Let's use orange. Then app info. You can upload any different image here. This app icon if you want to change. The name of the app, yes, so this is very important. So let's say I say COVID Mumbai help. If you want to put your name, put your name. If you want to put any description, you can put, okay, uh, COVID Mumbai help app. Okay, that's it. Don't, no other changes are required. Nothing needs to be changed here. Privacy, we are putting public with email, so anyone with the email should be able to log in. um, no need to change, don't make any change here. Sign in screen, this is a sign in screen, right? So here also, like, we can add something like, let's say, COVID Mumbai app. Mm, this app is to help with or I think I'm just a helper app, right? Something like this. COVID help app. Okay, yeah, that's it. Done. No other changes. Then just click on publish app. It's publishing my app. Okay, yeah, this is the URL of the app. What you want the URL. So let's say I put the COVID Mumbai help. Okay, COVID Mumbai help. Just copy it. Done. Your app is ready now. Okay, you don't have to make any change. Just close it, and you can open this in any other URL. So what URL we have used? COVID Mumbai help dot. So what are the URL was coming there, right? When you can always click here, COVID Mumbai help.glideapp.io. This is your app's link. Okay, this app link will open in your desktop. This app link will open in your mobile also, right? So I'll open it here and we'll see how to add resources. That's very important thing. Okay, see, exactly the same app which I have given a demo to you. Open this in your mobile. This will look very beautiful. So it allows any person to sign up with the email address, right? uh, Let me add email now and log in. So this is the app we have just created. This is a complete copy of the app which I have given a demo to you earlier, right? So this is the URL you need to share. This is the URL you need to share with your, once your app is ready, you can share this URL. Uh, so this video I'm just keeping it very simple. I'm not going in detail, any of the technical detail. I will create one more follow-up video after it in coming days, where I will explain exactly the technical things. Okay, the pin has came 14272 14272. Okay, so any user when log in first time, this app will ask them to complete their profile. So see, this app is asking me to complete my profile. I click here, I complete my profile. Let's say my name is Ashish, new app. Enter my phone number, email address, city, anything I can put, but let's say for this example, let's use the Mumbai. Any of the checkbox if I want to check. This don't make any difference. These checkbox are just for purpose, just to tell the purpose of the user, right? Done. This app is now live. So you can use this URL, share with your friends, family members, but before that, just check this thing. Don't launch this app. When you should not launch this app? If there's already a good or similar app or platform available. See, if there's already one app is available, there's no need to create any more duplicate app, because this will confuse the people, those who are in those who are struggling for the help, right? Second thing, don't launch or share the app until you have added a lot of verified resources. So as I mentioned, go on the resources tab before you launch the app. Go on the resources tab, and in each category add as many verified resources. Just don't put the random resources. Verify the resource and put it. Share this app first with the volunteers, service providers, people those who want to help. Ask them, please add as many resources as possible, and verify each resource personally. Very, very important. Nahi to this app won't be useful for anyone. Okay, then third thing is, as I mentioned, first share the app with the volunteers, service providers, suppliers. Ask them to use the app to add their own services. Last thing, don't launch the app if you cannot spend time maintaining it. Maintaining means all the resources should be updated all the time. You have to keep a close eye on this thing. Take help of your friends. Uh, Share this with volunteers. Have someone who manages it, right? So that's very important. But if you can do all of it, go ahead and launch the app. Yes. So what you need to do is just share the URL COVID Mumbai help, whatever the URL you have used here, right? Sorry, this is the wrong screen. Whatever the URL you used here, this URL you need to share. Your app is live. Okay. So this is the, so what we have done here is you went, let me quickly repeat what exactly we did. We went to the learn.covidcode.blue.glideapp.io. Sorry, yeah, learn.covidcode.blue. This is the URL. This is the URL. Okay, enter it. Then what we did is we then we created an account on glideapps.com. Come back on the screen, copy this app. Once you click it in your Glide account, let me log in your Glide account. This will create the app or clone the app. Here it's loading. You click on this. I'm revising everything else quickly. Click on this. This will show the screen to you. Don't need to make any changes here. We'll understand this later. Not required for now. If you need any advanced um, learning or to change more here, I will create few more videos later. Else you can go on the glideapps.com website. There are a lot of learning resources and tutorials available. But okay, no need to do anything. We just came here, clicked on this, icon, uh, then city list. We have added the city. So let's say any city. For now, we have added Mumbai. Okay, done. That's it. Nothing needs to be done. Change here. No need to do any changes here. This one, come here, change the appearance if you want, change the app info if you want, whatever the app info, change the icon if you want, click on the privacy, it should be public with the email, then sign in screen, whatever you want to put on the sign in screen, put it here, done. That's it. No need to make any more changes. Here you will have the publish icon, click on the publish icon. Right now already published, so I will have the I have the icon as share. Click here, enter URL of your choice, app link, any URL you want, click on copy, done. That's it. Your app is ready. And then you can access the app. You yourself access the app with your own email, and then go and add as many resources as possible. Once you added enough resources, once you have shared this app with volunteers and service provider and ask them to add the resources, you can go ahead and share this URL and keep forwarding this URL for the people those who need help. Okay, so that's it. That's it. Anything? What next? If you need any help, you can reach out to me on Twitter. One more thing, very important thing. If you are eligible, get yourself vaccinated. And if you are already had a COVID, go ahead and donate the blood. But if you're not eligible, pursue others, those who are eligible. Ask them to donate the blood, ask them to, or take them to the vaccine center and get them vaccinated. Stay safe. If you can stay at home, stay at home. That's it, guys. Feel free to reach me on Twitter if you need any help. What I will do in the uh, next few days, I will try to create one more very detailed video about the technical details. That is only for the people, those who want to understand technical details of the app. If you want to learn today, go on the glideapps.com website. There are lot many tutorials available. Learn from there. But for this cloning of the app or copying of the app, whatever the information you needed, which I already provided, you just need to copy the app, change the city, change the appearance, change the information you want to show on the welcome screen, publish the app. Done. Then, before sharing to others, add resources. That's it, guys. Thank you very much.